Good morning, guys. Today is Monday and welcome back to another day of lunch video. Today the kids are having whatever is in my refrigerator. This is not planned at all whatsoever. I am out of food, and because yesterday was my birthday, I didn't get to go grocery shopping because I was not about to go grocery shopping on my birthday. So yeah, I'm gonna go grocery shopping today. Say hello to my new bad boy right here. I got it for my birthday, but anyways, not bragging at all whatsoever. I'm just excited. You will see it in the video, so I just figured I would explain it. So the kids are gonna have hot dog. This is a tomato sandwich. Maddie is obsessed with tomatoes, so it's the reason why I gave her a tomato sandwich. No mayo because the bread is actually flavored. So yeah, I opened her mini chippers over here and put it in here. That way when she opened the container, everything is right there for her. Of course, her hot dogs that I cut up, and she will dip it in her ketchup here. She has some frosted wheat. She is obsessed with frosted wheat, so I figured I would give her some frosted wheat mandarin, and I put a little fork in here. Of course, she's having an apple juice. This is the last two, so I definitely need to go grocery shopping. I'm gonna let this all cool down before I cover it. And then Jackson's having the same exact thing. His ketchup is in this container, and this divider is from an old box like this. I'm only down to one of these. Can you believe it? And I'm not purchasing anymore. I will leave the link to these down in the description box. Jackson's gonna have a mandarin, and I also gave him some frosted wheats, mini chipper, and his apple juice. That's it, guys. So hopefully, I don't know if you guys are interested in what they eat after school, like what did they eat, what they did not eat. I don't know if you guys want that in this year's lunch videos. So I'm gonna run this week normal, and then next week you guys can vote whether or not you want the after school aftermath of their lunches. If not, we can just leave them out. Anyways, I'm talking way too much. I hope you guys have an amazing Monday, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Bye, guys. Good morning, guys, and welcome back to another day of lunch videos. Today is Tuesday, and I went grocery shopping, so don't worry. I was lazy and I saw these in the grocery store. It says Once Upon a Farm. Basically, it's fruit veggie blend with flaxseed. So I was like, great. This one is Oh My Mega Veggie. I don't know what exactly is in there, but I think beet something. I don't know. So that's what Jackson's getting. And then he's having a turkey roll up with lettuce, tomato, no mayo. This is, hold on. Okay, so what's in here are just onion rings. And I made them extra crispy so that the foil paper will soften it up, and it'll be, I don't know. This is red. No, this is blue cheese in here. And then they're gonna have sugar snap peas for them. So this is new. This is new, and I pray they eat it. And then we're gonna have Kool-Aid jammers because of course Capri Sun is on a recall, and I don't know what's going on with them. So, but Capri Sun is my drink of choice because especially the roaring waters. And then Miss Madison's having the same exact thing, and then she's having this one. It's called, come on, why is my camera like that? Mama Blueberry. So anyways, that's what they're having for lunch today on Tuesday. I am struggling. If you can hear it in my voice, I am struggling, but I will get it together tomorrow. So I hope you guys have an amazing day, and I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Bye, guys. Good morning, guys. Today is Wednesday, and welcome back to another day of lunch video. Today the children will be having pizza, zucchini with cheese because Maddie is obsessed with vegetable. I gave her some mandarin oranges and also these bubbly situation. They have like beads and stuff, like boba. I don't know. So I gave that to her. And then she's gonna have her Kool-Aid jammers, and then this Dunkaroos yogurt. And of course I got her spork. I'm gonna put her water in her bag, so she's taking water, and I'm gonna let this cool down for a little bit before I close it up. Jackson's having the same exact thing, except he likes the snap peas. Maddie don't. So now I know that Maddie does not like snap peas. I didn't give him any dressing because they're good just by themselves. Some mandarin, his half of a pizza cut in half, and zucchini with cheese. This is so good. And then he also has the same bubbly situation with the boba situation, and there his fork, same exact thing. So I did ask you guys whether or not you wanted to see what they they ate after school. Depending on what everyone voted for, we'll see whether or not I add that. But anyways, I hope you guys have an amazing Thursday, and I will see you guys, no, Wednesday, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Good morning, guys. Today is Thursday, the last day for lunches. We are missing a lunch, and that's because Madison is not feeling well, so she won't be going to school today. So I'm only preparing lunch for Jackson. So today he's gonna be having quesadillas, and I put it in this bowl that it keeps it warm, and then he's gonna have this bubbly fruit bowl. It has those boba situation in it. He's gonna have a yogurt, and there's a spoon on the top for, and then I gave him his fork for his yogurt. And then, you okay? Okay. And then he's gonna have his juice and this once up on the farm fruit and veggie blend, Mama Blueberry. So that's it, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Okay? Yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch you guys next week. I hope you guys have an amazing weekend. And right, Leah? Yeah, Sticky Boo. Yeah, not feeling good. Bye. Aww. Bye, guys.